Okay, let me show you one of the coolest things I've ever worked on. Look at this PC case. The colors, the flames, the numbers. Oh, look how cute. Oh my god, oh, look at you guys. This isn't some cheap sticker slapped onto a PC case either. The artwork is UV printed directly onto the panels. Oh my god. So it won't peel off over time. Wow. God, I just can't get enough of it. And, you know, the feet, they're there too. Get it and let me see your PC setup. This is literally it. Oh, every angle looks insane! And look at you guys! My precious little blobs on the side panel being super duper cute. This is it. My official collab with Stoneforged. So, yeah, get them while they're hot, hot, hot. And prepare your desk setup transformation today. Let's get it!